Hey guys, it's Keisha, your Side Hustle Keisha, your side hustle advocate here tonight, giving you a tip on your work from home opportunity. You guys, you want to focus on finding the perfect work from home opportunity available, and then you want to start going through some tips that I provide here so that you excel and work at your best with your work from home opportunity. So we're going to be talking about our work from home tip of the day. And but before I get into that, I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe, to make sure that you push the notification button. So every time I upload a video, you're notified. If you missed my last video, it's 4 side hustles you can do at night. So check that video out because it has some 2 bonuses in it. Okay, so if you missed my video, go to my YouTube and watch that, my latest video on 4 side hustles you can do at night. They're going to be amazing. They're going to give you some great tips on finding and landing an opportunity that you can work when you get off your other job, or you can work any time of the day that works best for you. Okay, so listen. Okay, so number 6 tip is for you to designate, no, actually, it's going to be for you to recognize the time periods throughout the day where you're most productive. Okay, so we want you to look at your daily activity, okay, as you're working from home. When do you find that you're more productive? Some people are morning people, some people are afternoon people, and they work best at those time frames. You know, sometimes after they've come in the morning and they've had something to eat for lunch, after lunch some people go down, some people pick back up. I want you to look at your schedule and see when you're most productive. That's when those are the times you want to hone in on and try to get the most out of your day, because when you're more productive, normally you have more energy, you're more focused, you're more ready to go. I'm not a morning person. You may be a morning person. So usually I'm an afternoon person, and I work best late at night when the house is quiet. So therefore, if you identify your productive time periods, you want to go and put some of the most challenging work during that time period, so you're more able to get things done and get things done more efficiently. I would look at my schedule and see when I'm most productive. When do I get the most done? When do I feel the most upbeat? When do I seem to knock things out faster than other time periods throughout the day? And I would hone in on that, and I would use that productive time as a kryptonite to be able to execute in my business. Okay, you guys have a great one. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you guys get my 7 top work from home side hustle. Remember, it is below in the description box of each video. 7 top work from home side hustles. It's a digital download. It comes directly to you. It's free. Share it with your friends and family, anyone that you know is looking to supplement their income or work from home. And remember, on this channel, my goal is to help decrease the percentage rate of households who are working from paycheck to paycheck. There is opportunities out here for you to save, for you to make money online. Take advantage of them. Create an extra streamline, whatever it is that your goal is. If you're trying to finance your dream, or if you're trying to provide extra income for some extracurricular activities for your children, they're back in school. Things may cost a little bit more. They may be getting involved a little bit more, and you need a little bit more money, right? So definitely take advantage of these opportunities. Take a look at them. If you see something that works for one of your friends, share this video with them. Make sure you like, share, comment below if you try any of the opportunities. Come back, tell me what you think, how your experience was. I want to know. I'll be doing the same for you. You guys have an awesome night, and I'll see you on my next tip of the day or my next video. You guys have a great one. Make sure you check below in the description box. Get the link to my 7 top work from home side hustle. And if you also looking to work or to make passive income, that money where you get notified on your phone, or you wake up in the morning, you have notifications that you made money in your sleep, or you're on vacation and you make some money, or at the grocery store and you make some money, or at the kids game you make some money. I have 2 passive income opportunities that are listed below. Make sure you click on the link and let me know what you think. You guys have a great time, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy work from home side hustle. Look for a side hustle. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you know. I want to be in the know. I want to hear all the good things about your opportunity and your journey. Have a good night.